Oh, I see what it makes it hot.
There's people running away from the volcano.
It smells like toothpaste. I already broke most of it, so sorry.
Millimeter. I haven't seen this in a long time. Hi everyone!
Hello.
Welcome back to another science video by me and Rafli. Hello Rafli.
Hello.
So basically today we have another Kidslab product and we're going to be making a volcano. Well, not an actual volcano. We're going to be making a makeshift volcano using baking soda and some vinegar. But for now, let's make the base of the volcano. So let's start. Alright, so we have these 4 molds. We have plaster. We're not going to open this yet.
What is that?
Plaster.
What's pasta?
Don't open it yet. Hold on, I'll tell you later. We have these pieces. And we have the paint. And we have this. The last piece, Rafli.
Can you feel the silence? Can you see the dark? Can you feel the broken? Can you feel the...
Hurry up, Rafli. Don't break it, don't break it, don't break it. Be careful. Be very careful.
Be careful, Raffa, I'm trying. I can't do it.
Give me.
What is this called again?
Plaster.
What's plaster? Can you please?
I don't know. Okay.
Okay.
It's a substance. That's all I can say.
That looks like flour. A substance that looks like flour.
Oh, those stickers. There's people running away from the volcano. Dangerous. A house, a car. Oh, wait. Connected. Alright, so we have made the volcano now. So now we need the water. Exactly 280 milliliters of water to be exact.
I'm gonna get it.
Alright, so now we need to pour these 2 bags of plaster into this mixing bowl.
What does that substance do?
Basically, if you add water and wait for it to dry, it'll become hard. Let's pour it in. Only time.
It has to be hot water. There has to be hot water, Raffa. So, I see what it makes it hard.
It becomes smooth paste, okay?
There's some powder.
Yeah, I know. Keep mixing it. So I'm going to pour it in.
Roughly hold the top.
Hurry! Hold the volcano. Hold it. Thank you.
What is that? No. It smells like toothpaste.
That's because it is toothpaste.
Wait, it is?
No, it's not.
What is it?
Oh, shoot. Okay, hold on. Hold on.
There's some powder. That one too, the top.
That's good enough. And now we're going to leave it to dry for a day. So, we'll see you there. Alright guys, so we are back very early because apparently it actually took like about an hour or so. So, the thing lied to us. So, now it's time to break the excess off.
I already broke most of it, so sorry.
Flip it over. And now, let's just scratch the excess off.
The moment of poop. And now, wait, I'm just breaking this. I just like to make stuff. The moment.
Make us some wet tissue. Hold on. There you go. Alright, so now that it's dried up, it's time to remove the plaster.
Whoop, whoop.
Ooh.
Ah.
Oh, it's warm!
What? Where?
Ini kayak belum ini loh, kayak masih basah kayak gitu loh.
Jangan tuh.
Oh, it's warm! It's normal for the mixture to warm up. It's hard. Okay, so it's normal. Don't worry. Okay, so now we're gonna go paint. So there's only one paintbrush. So let's cut this open.
Cut.
Where's the paintbrush?
Well, it's gone. Dibs!
I haven't seen this in a long time.
What?
I haven't seen this in a long time.
Seen what?
This paint style like this. I haven't seen it in a long time. So it's time to paint it. How do I open this? So brown, yellow, red, and a little black. All right, we're painting brown first. Should we paint brown first? Where's the box? So I finished painting this thing.
Me too.
No, you did not. You did nothing. He did nothing.
I actually did.
No, you did not.
I actually did something.
Yeah, but you didn't paint it. But whatever. So
I did
we're gonna have to
paint it.
wait for about a day for this to dry. So we'll Oh wait, it's actually kind of dry. Right? No, it's still wet. Okay. So we'll see you in the next day. Okay, guys. So it's been a day now, and
More than a day?
it's been more than a day, but so right now I'm decorating the scenery. Basically, what we're gonna do now. Let me just take a look at the instructions. So basically, now that we've set up the decorations and we've painted the volcano, now we're gonna put our things. So first, you have to put
100 millimeters of
millimeters.
millimeters of
Milliliters. Let me call millimeters.
millimeters of vinegar.
Roughly release it.
Wait, that actually put some. Can I do it too?
Okay, hold on. Be patient. Be patient.
Is that a teaspoon?
Yeah, that's a teaspoon. Just...
I'll do it.
Eh.
I hope.
Hold on. Yeah, it's fine. This is good.
I'm trying to flatten it, sheesh. I'm just trying to
Alright,
flatten
can you help put it in here?
Okay.
Be very careful though.
All of them?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do it.
Be careful.
I'll let go.
Oh, okay. Yeah, like that. That's good. Don't worry. Now we need to put a few drops of washing up liquid.
I'll do it.
Now, can I do it?
Let's both do it.
Okay, anyone want to say anything? That's enough.
Wait, little a drop. Wait, one more. Okay, that's enough.
There you go. Now, we need to put a few drops of red paint.
I'll do it.
No, hold on. I need to pour it in. Hold on. It's pouring in.
I don't see it. Oh, there it is. All of them?
No, just like a few drops.
So
There you go, good
so you
enough.
can use it again.
And now, time for the big part. Can I? Okay, we done.
Bum 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 bum. I don't wanna see the smell.
Uh-oh.
That's enough. That's enough.
There you go.
Okay, it's gonna.
2, 1. Oh, let me add some more. There you go, that's enough.
Oh, that stinks. The moment of truth. Oh, that's soap. You had too much.
Sorry. It's okay, right?
Yeah. How you
Stir
mix?
until it's done.
Raffa, you put too much vinegar.
There you go. It doesn't look good, but it's fine.
Big soap foam. Go big. Oh, there's the red. There's pink.
There it is. Alright, so that was all for the volcano thing. So what happened was there was a chemical reaction between the baking soda and the vinegar. The washing soap basically made it more like goopy, I guess. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed this very, very small experiment. And we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye.